Diligence is the mother of good fortune. I absolutely agree with the statement. If you are not diligent towards what you are doing, and how come you are expecting the fortune is turning right in front of you? You have to have diligence, deliberation, and honesty. Honesty also at the same point in life wherever you are is the key. I have been always telling, preaching, insisting, guys, you have no idea what will happen in next few minutes. You have no idea what will happen in next few days. We have no idea what will happen in next years. But what we can do is we can give our 100% with due diligence, the best at the point we are in right now. And that's what I'm doing right now. And that's what I believe. I am believing, and I'm preaching the same, and I'm insisting or requesting the same thing to the people. No matter whatever you have dreamt, it will not happen exactly the same you have dreamt. The people who are succeeded in their lives as of today, they have never imagined they would have reached where they have reached. I challenge you, you must have read their books, you must have watched their videos, their movies. They would mention by themselves from their own mouth that they did not plan the way it went, but they were doing their best. They are giving their best with due diligence, and that happened to have their own fortune written in different books, in their own books, in different movies, stories as well. So I completely agree with the statement. Diligence is the mother of a good fortune. If you want to be called as a fortuner or the person who has a good fortune, remember one thing and believe like me. You need to give your 100% wherever you are. If you are a worker, if you are an employee, please make sure that empire is being built with your at least the contribution. Otherwise tomorrow it will not turn in your fortune, because tomorrow you will have your own people working for you. They will not act the way you will expect. So expect only in future the way you are doing right now with other companies, with other empires. So some people say build your own empire, or somebody else will hire you to build there. But I believe help others to build their empires. Tomorrow, people will help you build your empire. I restate, diligence is the mother of a good fortune. Build your own fortune, write your own fortune. Back to you, sir.